Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an easy clean with me because I know that we're not always motivated to do a big whole house deep clean. I have broken it down into different sections of what I do on days when I'm not feeling motivated, because doing one thing at a time instead of thinking about doing the whole house definitely helps. So follow these steps along with me and we can clean our homes together.
Make me feel inside.
So if you're ever feeling unmotivated and just not in the mood to clean, make your bed first thing in the morning and this will help you have a much more productive day. I try and do this every single morning because it really does help me tackle even more chores when I start off with the bedroom. It just helps me get started, so I always try and start small before tackling the really big rooms. Just by making the bed, it sets me up for the rest of the day. So go ahead, make your bed, tidy your bedrooms, picking up any clothes or rubbish or anything that you have in your bedroom, and just make it nice and cozy. Next on my list is doing the front room. Now normally I prefer to do the kitchen, but if you are feeling unmotivated, I would start with the living room just because it's normally a quicker room to get tidy, obviously depending on the size of your living room and how much stuff you've got in there, but generally for me it does take half the time than doing the kitchen. And once it's all done and you've finished the whole house, you can then make a cup of tea and the living room's already done. So I definitely do prefer to straighten up in the front room whenever I'm not feeling motivated, because it just gives me that extra boost of motivation to tackle the even bigger chores. So next, go ahead and do some dusting. Now I love dusting. It literally takes a few minutes, but it just makes the whole room smell super clean and fresh, like it's had a good deep clean, even though I've literally just dusted for a couple of minutes. So go ahead and wipe down your TV stand, any radiator covers, cabinets, anything that you could give a good dust over. Go ahead and do that, because I promise you it will make the whole room smell so clean and so cozy. So once I'd finished all the dusting, I then wanted to go in with the Hoover, and I love hoovering. I think it really transforms a room and makes it so cozy. So whenever I dust, I do try and hoover afterwards, and you can definitely tell on days where I don't hoover, even if the floor looks clean and you can't see anything, it just doesn't have the same cozy vibes about it. I don't know, but if you want a nice cozy home with minimal effort, definitely try and hoover every day, because it only takes a couple of minutes.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
To finish it off, just go ahead and add some of your favourite fragrances, because it just makes the whole front room smell beautiful and feel extra cozy. I really hope that you are feeling motivated by today's video and you are now moving through into the kitchen with me. I try and leave this till last whenever I'm not feeling motivated, just because it's the bigger job. So next is number 6, and that is clean the kitchen. Just get rid of any rubbish and clear all of the sides so it's nice and decluttered. So once I'd finished tidying up and getting rid of any rubbish and all sorts that just get left on the kitchen side, it's time to do the washing up. If you've been here before, you know I've always got washing up to do, so I do try and get this done first thing in the morning, because I absolutely love having a clean kitchen. So do go ahead and wash it with me.
I can take you anywhere.
once I've done all the washing up, I'm then going to go over all of my sides and cupboards and drawers and everything with my all-purpose spray just to make sure that it's all nice and disinfected, ready for the day.
You got me too. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you. And you got me too. You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna.
So sometimes I do go ahead and let it air dry, but today I'm going to be drying up, so do go ahead and dry up any washing up that you've done so we can have a nice decluttered kitchen. I don't think the kitchen looks finished unless all of the washing up's been put away, and today I want to have a nice decluttered finished kitchen. So go ahead and dry up with me.
I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush,
So now let's go ahead and clean our sinks, and today I'm going to be using the Pink Stuff paste. I've not used this before and I was pleasantly surprised. It is a really good product, but it hasn't beaten Cif. Cif is still my #1, and I think it's just because of the fragrance that Cif has. It's so strong, and compared to this one it just doesn't really smell of anything. And when I clean the sink, I want to be able to smell that I've cleaned the sink, because you know what I'm like when it comes to fragrances. They have to be strong, otherwise I'm not interested. But it is a good product and it does do exactly what it does on the tub. So if you haven't used it and you want to give it a go, I can definitely vouch that it works. It's left it super shiny. I'm then going to go over it with the white vinegar spray, because that is just a habit of mine now, just to buff it up and make it even shinier. So go ahead and clean your sink as well, and let's see how shiny we can get them.
so just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant.
So the final thing I'm doing is the laundry. So if you do have any washing to do, go ahead and stick it in now. I absolutely love how it makes the upstairs smell, because I do hang it to dry. I don't use the tumble dryer anymore, but I think hanging it or tumble drying it, you can't beat the smell of fresh clothes. It smells absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang these up, ready for them to be dried and put away tomorrow. I really hope you found today's video useful and it's helped to motivate you to clean with me today. If it has, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload every Monday to Friday, so there is tons of cleaning motivation every single weekday, and I would love for you to be a part of it by clicking the subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.
The art from your vintage shoes.